I was like, can I see your boobs? It'd be different.
It's gray with pink polka dots.
I colored.
Dad's recording.
You give me hyperventilating.
Mine is white with blue lace.
Have you ever heard Jessica when something like exciting or something's gonna happen? She goes like, Jessica, hacker! Does that? I'm not kidding. I was gonna throw the ball at her, and she's like,
Corey's
whoa! I did that once.
No commentary from the people in the audience.
It's no.
We're not the audience, we're the show. You're the
Talk
audience.
about him and stuff. Wait.
I have my camera back.
Put this video on mine. Don't put it on or else you won't be able to upload it.
It's been 28 minutes. Or at least. Stop recording my butt! This is going on the internet.